Oh, good morning, guys. Check out the beds that we can crash in. Just for starters, look at this morning view. Wake up to. Pleasure driving you today.
Dude, thank you, Scott.
Yeah, just give me a holler.
My guy.
All right.
Thanks, brother.
No joke, we got up at 9 o'clock and I have been trying to edit this video. It's 4 o'clock right now and I finally got it done. This Wi-Fi on the road thing is just the worst. The boys are in here. The boys are in here. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day here, but I gotta make it easy because I'm so computered out right now. Alright guys, so we have been driving through Utah. We just made it to Arches National Park. As you can tell, the boys wanted to go and catch the sunset, so they ran off to do that, and I figured I'd fall back and clean the van a bit, as you can see, because we have a new member added to the squad, and I'm yet to really show you guys how we have been living on this road trip, so I feel like now's a good time. We will start off with how we enter and exit the beast, and that is with this giant steel bar holding the doors together. Rip him off, throw him to the side, and voila, the beast. She has been remarkable. Remember, over 200,000 miles on her, year 2000. So here we go, starting off. Sometimes we keep a little shoe rack action right there, but the main shoe rack is hidden right under here. So we got the first 500 watt power inverter that we can charge some of our stuff on, And underneath here are 4 batteries, which go to a large inverter that we have unfortunately had issues setting up and getting running, so we haven't been using that yet. We got the dirty dish station right here by the door, always ready to get cleaned. Giant cutting board for cooking, on top of all of the cooking essentials that you could possibly need. Once again, the power doesn't work, but we do have 2 storage fridges right here, and the dopest screwed into the wall shelving holder right here for everything you can possibly think of. Forks, knives, some food storage, whatnot. Garbage bags hanging on the wall to keep it clean. My computer section where all my computer stuff stays, and then coat rack closet with pretty much just bags of food and supplements right there. The tiny little accessories in this van are just insane. All of the walls are Velcro, and the ceiling and everything, so we have just been putting Velcro on stuff and slapping it wherever. Where's lighter? Doesn't matter. You always know there's one on the ceiling. It's pretty sick. Cell phone for GPS driving. Boom, we're in it. So this is the living room, the chill area, where 1 or 2 people usually kick it while the other 2 are up front driving in seclusion or not in private. We got this banger storage area up here with everything we need, all the tools for potential breakdowns and mishaps, cleaning products, once again, essentials, tow ropes, more holders. We try to keep as much stuff hanging as we can. It's always time to shine. Other than that, we enter the frontal region. And here we have 2 of the most luxurious seats that Ford put out up until the 2000s. We are driving in style. Charging essentials, probably the most crucial tool of the trip so far. We've probably flown through, or blown through, I should say, 20 fuses, which isn't too shabby. It's not too bad, but we have been blending from this thing, charging computers, camera batteries, everything you can imagine, you name it. Once again, every square inch is essential. Clean front area. This is where all the miles been going down, right there. A lot of miles been putting on her. So that is the front and middle section of the beast. We should head to the back and show you guys where we've been sleeping. Boom. The bachelor pad. In the back here, we got the master suite. The boys did some laundry today, so they are cleaning that up still. We got storage like crazy up here. All my surf gear, all of my clothes, all the homies' clothes, the other storage side. So much clothes, all the boys, camera gear, backpacks, extra pillows and blankets, you name it. And then we have bed numero uno and bed numero dos. I'm not saying we have the most space in here, but it is for sure comfy. Open the window right by your side here, let the breeze come in. We are not complaining. There's people without beds, so we will go to the bottom, the last 2 sections here, where we've got backpack filled with all types of random stuff. My snowboard bag with all my boards, all my gear, everything you can think of, which I'm sure you guys have all been wondering why I have not gotten on my snowboard this whole trip. Everything is just so packed, so tightly, just jammed into these bins, and I, besides not wanting to pull it all apart and get it all soaking wet, just been snowboarding so much this winter. I get better when I take time off, so just staying away from the board for, it's only been a week now, is an amazing feeling, and when I get back on my board, it's just going to be absolute levels. So here we go. Continuing, the 8-foot foam surfboard, the 6'4" step up board, the shoe rack, yoga mat, foam rollers, almost everything you could think of, except there's another shelving with another surfboard. We look to our left, all of my snowboard gear that you could think of, plus more essentials, all the homie ski gear, and always easy accessible. The skateboards and the PBRs for the homies. So that is that. As you can see, storage is tight up here, but we make it work. Every inch counts. We try to hang as much as we can and bring as little as we can, but whew, I just want to say I am so grateful for this whole road trip and to have been doing it with two of the most legendary humans that I can't believe came to America and just bought this van and let me partake on their journey. So today's edit was short, but it was sweet. I wanted to show you guys how we were living in the van, and it has been styling. We got maybe 2 or 3 more days until I make it to my brother's house on the West Coast, and I'm gonna get in my van, and that's when it's gonna get even crazier. We're headed back south to meet up with the boys and then head over the Mexican border, finish out the road to Baja. We'll see you guys tomorrow. cvlogs every day. Love you guys. Smash that like. Let me know what you think. Comment, and much love. You.